right, next on our list, wires. Wires are also electronic transfers, but get there extremely quick within the day. My experience is usually it's there within the hour. Once you send a wire, it's gone. It has left your bank account and it is making its way very quickly to the other person's bank. The big pro of a wire is it's fast. It gets there quickly. Also, the payee receives it directly into their bank account. What are the cons of a wire? It's expensive. And be anywhere from $10 to $50. Could be more depending on your bank. They are the most expensive way to send a payment. So in other words, you do not want to pay all your bills via wire because it's going to cost you a fortune. This is another instance that you're going to need a more robust bank account. A lot of free checking accounts are not going to have wire capabilities. If you need to send a wire with a free account, typically you're going to have to call your bank and have them help you with that. You need a more robust banking account to send wires. The second con of wires is there's very little recourse once you hit send and that wire is gone. I've never been successful in stopping a wire after it's been sent. So you gotta be really careful when you send a wire because once it's gone, it's gone. And if it goes into an account that you did not want to, you need to reach out to that person and hope they're going to send that money back to you. Third, the payee also in this instance needs a bank account that accepts wires. So anyone that doesn't have a bank account, you cannot send them a wire.